Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat add friend problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, first of all, open your mobile phone Play Store and App Store and search Snapchat. Make sure that your Snapchat is updated or not. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your Snapchat. After this, go back. So guys, you need to open your mobile phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on your mobile phone apps and tap on search bar and search Snapchat and scroll down. Now tap on permission and turn on all permission. After this, go back. Now tap on storage and tap on clear cache. After this, go back. So guys, you need to open your Snapchat app. Now tap on chat and scroll down and click on add friend. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.